Yeah, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is Olayemi King, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at three major things: the trends, types of analysis, and types of trade execution in forex trading. Like I said initially, in my other videos, these videos are meant for the people at the very basic level in forex trading, so as to give them the required platform and no necessary things before they move on to other things that are much more advanced. Okay, so without wasting time, please let's move to the business of the day. So, what is a trend? What is a trend? It's the overall direction in which the market is moving. Okay, it's the overall direction in which the market is moving. So, if the overall direction of the market is up, if it's upward, we say that we have a bullish trend or an uptrend. Okay, and if the overall direction of the market in a certain period of time is down, or we say that the market has a bearish trend or a downtrend. And sometimes you also have the other one that we call, the third one that we call sideways in the movement in the market, and that's when we say that the market is in consolidation. Let me show us something on the trading view right now. Go to the larger time frame, the daily time frame, and see if we can get what we meant by bullish trend, bearish trend. Okay, all right. So talking about the definition of trend once again, just to refresh our memory, saying overall direction in which the market is moving. Okay, and we're looking at two major types of trends, and that's the bullish trend. Okay, that's when the direction of the market for a given period of time is in the up direction. Okay, so in this instance, is on a daily time frame. If we look at this market, if we look at our graph that represents the market from this place to this place, you see that the direction has been up. Okay, the direction of the market has been in the upside. All right, so in this period of time, that's between 27th of January 2021, as you can see down here. All right, 27th of January 2021 till let's say 1st of April 2021, the direction of the market has been an uptrend. Okay, it has been an uptrend. And just to check something a little bit advanced, if we look at this, let's see how many pips. In the last video we talked about how to count pips. All right, so how many pips this market moved during that period. Okay, from what we can see here, can see that the market has moved. Let me see if I can shift it. Okay, so that you can see. This market, that's the USD JPY market, has moved in the up direction by 685 pips. Okay, 685 pips between the 27th of January this year till till 1st of April 2021. Okay, till 31st of March 2021. We have had an upward movement by 685 pips, which is the USD JPY market. So this is a clear example of an of a upward trend. Okay, of a bullish trend. All right. So, but if we look at it from this moment now, from the 1st of April, it has started going downward again. Okay, it has started going downward. Currently is on the downward trend. So this is a clear example of what an uptrend and a downtrend means. Okay, so it has started going downward. So that's what we meant by the bullish trend and the bearish trend. If the market is going up, we say it has a bullish trend. If it's going down, we say it has a bearish trend. I also talked about when the market is moving in consolidation or sideways. Let me see if I can show us something that shows a kind of a sideways movement. Okay, let's look at another pair. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, all right, so let's see. I want to show something. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. Okay, so during this period, we can say the market moved in a sideways trend. Okay, was consolidating during this period. It wasn't having a clear upward or downward movement. Okay, during this period. So I'm going to, in my next video, I'm going to talk more on the trend in details. Okay, in terms of how it moves and what to do in different period of movement in the market, if it's moving in an upward trend, downward trend, if it's consolidating. Okay, so but I just want to show us what it looks like when you see a market moving. Okay, this another okay, all right. Okay, this is an example of a consolidation as well, where the market just was testing a particular area and coming back down. Okay, so when you look at this range, all right, around here, the market has a like a path, all right, where it's moving. So you can say around this area it's actually consolidating, even though we have some small movement of down trends and uptrend within, but in the overall it's actually going back and forth in a particular this horizontal direction. So we can say that the market is kind of consolidating around this place. Then you see what it was doing around here like this. Okay, then it now went up, a clear upward trend here. Okay, clear upward trend here. All right, then it went to consolidation again. Okay, then gave a little bit of a downtrend here. All right, so okay, which kind of continue. So that's basically how what we mean by upward or bullish trend, or downward trend, or bearish trend, and consolidation. Hopefully you got that. All right, so let's move on to the next topic, talking about market analysis. Okay, market analysis. All right, when you come to your trading graph like this is a trading view. All right, before you take trades, you need to analyze the market. This is a trading view. Let me show you this MT4. Okay, so you need to be able to analyze the market. You don't just jump on the trade when you come into the market on your graph and just up in and take trade. You need to analyze what the market is saying. Market is always speaking by its movement. Okay, so you need to know what the market is saying. So that's what we call analysis. So we have three types of analysis. We have the technical analysis, when you use the support, resistance, and the combination of trend lines to analyze the market. I did a video on that, so I'm not going to be talking much on that today. All right, we have support and resistance and trend lines. It's very, very important. I don't think there's much thing or much success you can have in forex trading if you don't understand the usage of support, resistance, and trend lines. Okay, so this falls under technical analysis. Then the second one is the fundamental analysis, and this has to do with economic news and world events happenings on a global scale. Since we are dealing with currencies of countries, so whatever that is happening in each of those countries has a way of affecting the economy, and it has a way of affecting how good or bad the currency at that moment will be doing. Okay, for example, if you are looking at trading the USD against the Canadian dollar, all right, at that particular day, all right, if there are news that is not favorable, maybe in the United States of America, it will affect the performance of the United States dollar, their currency, and that will also, affect what is going to be happening in the market as well. Okay, and so also if it's also the Canadian dollar, vice versa. All right, so whichever currency pair you're trading, it might be the euro against the USD, it might be the euro against the Great British pounds. All right, so events happening around, okay, in those countries that you intend to trade their currencies has impact on how the currency is going to behave at that point in time. I remember in the year 2001 during the World Trade bombing events, it affected the U.S. economy a lot. Also it made the United States dollar weaker at that time, because of that major event. There are news like, for example, when a governor of a central bank of a particular country is speaking or is delivering a speech. At that point in time, if the speech delivered is not is on the negative side concerning the economy of that country, it's going to affect the performance of the currency of that country at that point in time. So that's why, as a forex trader, you have to also pay a close attention to fundamental analysis. Okay, at that point in time when news is playing or events is happening that has a high impact on the currency that you want to trade, your technical analysis will not work or might not work at that point in time. So that's why you need to also pay attention on your fundamental analysis. And there is a website that gives a summary of these events, and the website is the forexfactory.com. Let me show you how the forexfactory.com looks like. Okay, forexfactory.com. Okay, so this is how it looks like. News today, we only have news on Japanese yen, euro, the United States dollars, and Chinese yen. Okay, so and we see that it's like a summary here now. So every forex trader normally use this site, the forexfactory.com. All right. So on today is the 26th day of the month of April 2021. Okay, so let's see if we can go back to days before. Let's look at yeah, the 23rd. That's Friday, 23rd April 2021. Okay, you see all these folders, they are represented with different colors. Okay, like anything that has red, connotes something that is worth looking at. And that's why even why when you're driving your lights on the road, okay, your traffic lights, when you see red, it means that you should stop. Okay, so any currency that has a red folder in front of it, it shows that there is an high impact news that will be happening at that particular time. See that there are times designated in front of each of the currencies, and so that means at this time on Friday, 8:30 a.m. on Friday, there was news. Okay, all right, on euro. So forex traders at that point in time will avoid, probably trading in euro. Okay, then the orange folder is a medium impact folder. It can also determine a lot how the GBP currency is going to behave at that point in time. All right. So, but when it's a yellow folder, it's regarded as a low impact news. So it might not really affect the currencies that has those folders that much. Okay. So this is how uh, uh, the the forexfactory.com helps traders, forex traders, to really anticipate or plan their trading, based on the news that will be coming up at that point in time. Okay, so all right, then the third type of analysis is the sentimental analysis. Sometimes some people group this sentimental analysis under the technical analysis, and this is developed over time through intuition. The more you trade and the more you gain experience and know how certain pairs behave, and when you see certain candlesticks forming right next to each other, you know that from your experience that something might happen next. Okay, so that's what we call this sentimental analysis, and it has to do with learning how to use price action and the price feeling. Okay, so this price action is something that is also very important, but we are not going to be talking about it today. I just want us to have an idea of what we are are talking about, so that when next you come across these words, it won't be strange to you as a newbie. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So, talking about trade execution. All right, there are two types of execution in forex trading. Two major classes of trade execution in forex trading. First one, we have the market or the instant execution, and the second one we have the pending orders. Okay, so when we talk about the market or instant execution, um, this means entering a trade at the current market price. Okay, entering a trade at the current, at that party, what the price is talking at that particular point, you enter that trade, okay, immediately at that point in time. So it means buying or selling, since we either buy or sell in the forex trading market by instant execution. Okay, so it means you buy at the current price, what the price is saying at that point in time. Let me take us to MT4. Okay, for example, uh, we are having the price. Okay, we are having the price of NZDJPY, New Zealand dollar, and the Japanese yen. Okay, we're having the price currently at 77.9885. So it means that after my analysis, okay, don't forget we talked about the different types of analysis. Probably uh, I've used my technical analysis, drawing some support and resistance lines and trend lines. I believe that this price is going to go up. Okay, So what I will just do is to uh, enter this trade immediately. For example, this is a desktop version of the MT4. Okay, I will just come here and click on the new order. Okay, and you can see here type of execution, same market execution. That means I want to enter this market at this particular price. Okay, so I can either, if I decide to sell, I will just click on sell. Okay, set my stop loss and take profit. We're going to talk more about this in the next videos. Okay, so I can either sell or buy. So it will just launch me into the market immediately. Okay, at the present price. This is the current price right now. You see that is fluctuating. So that is what we call the market execution or instant execution. Okay, so the second one, which is a pending order, this actually happens when you place a buy or a sell order at a specific future price. For example, you feel that maybe in the next, this is a 1 hour time frame, so you feel that probably in the next few hours this price will come down. Okay, it will come back down to a lower price. So you can place an order waiting for the price to come and hit that particular price. The price is not there yet presently, but you feel that in the future price is going to get there, either coming down to sell, or the price will continue to go up in the nearest future and hit a particular price. People usually use these pending orders when they they have done the analysis, and they know that okay, this thing is going to actually happen in the future, all right, in the nearest future, but they might not be there at that point in time uh, when the move is going to happen. Probably they are going to be engaged in other things that might not give them the opportunity to be there to manually place the trade. So probably you are going to be traveling, or probably you are going to be doing be engaged in some other things. So you just place it. It stays there and it keeps waiting for you. So we have four categories of these pending orders. We have the sell limit, we have the buy limit, we have the sell stop, and we have the buy stop. I want us to pay a particular close attention. Okay, I want us to pay close attention to this particular area that I'm discussing right now. I'm talking about right now because uh, it's kind of tricky, especially for somebody that is coming new. All right, but you guys need to probably watch this video 3, 4, 5 times for you to get it properly. Okay, and once you get it, it stays with you. It can be a little bit confusing at first. Okay, so we have four classes or categories of pending orders. We have the sell limit, we have the buy limit, we have the sell stop, and the buy stop. I will explain them one after the other. Okay, now talking about the buy stop, it says this is an order that is placed above price, that's above the current price, and you think the price will keep going up. Let me take us back to MT4. Okay, currently our price is here. Okay, our price is here currently. So, and I feel that this price will continue going up, okay, to a reasonable extent. Okay, probably looking at this current price now, we have 78.009. Okay, and I believe that this price is going to get to probably 79.10, but it's currently at 78.00016 right now. So I can just place a buy stop. Okay, that buy stops means that the price has not gotten to where I want to place my pending order, but it's buying towards. All right, when something is buying, when we say buy, all right, in the forex market, that means it's going up. Okay, so price is this the current this is the current price right now. Okay, let me see, this is the current price right now. Okay, so and I believe that this price is going to continue buying up. Okay, so the current price is presently below where I want to place my buy stop. Okay, so for you to place a buy stop, price must be below where you want to place that buy stop. That means the price is coming from down, from the bottom part, okay, from down, and it's coming to meet your order that you are placing. Okay, it's coming to meet your order that you are placing. Okay, so now this is the current price now, 78.031. Okay, so I can just come here, okay, and click on new order, type market execution. Right now I'm going to go for pending order. Okay, don't forget that market execution is when you're executing your trade as in at that point in time, or based on what is happening at that point in time. But pending order is you are placing a price or an order, for the future purpose. Okay, so a specific future price. So placing this, changing this to pending order, now it has given me additional dialogue. It's now asking me, all right, the type, which has a drop down arrow. If I click on this drop down arrow, it gives me the four types of the pending order. So right now that we're talking about the buy stop, so I'll just click on buy stop. Okay, I'll click on buy stop. So it's asking me now, at what price do I want the market to activate? All right, so since we have the market presently at 77.966 here, all right, so it has to be above the current price. So can just come and place at 78 point let's say 010. Okay, all right, so I can also set the date I want it to expire. All right, for this purpose, let's leave this one. Let's for the class for this class purpose, let's leave this out. So I could just place, I'll just click on place. Okay, you see that it has gone. So that is for buy stop. So let's go to the next one. So buy limit. Buy limit is order placed below price. All right, order placed below priced, and you think the price will go up afterwards. So what that means is that in this situation now, this is where the price is right now. Okay, I can decide to place a buy limit order around 77.715. After my analysis, that once this price comes to this point and touches this point, okay, it will now start going back up. All right, I have that conviction and that confidence that this thing will come down a little bit, hit my price level, and continue buying back up. Then I can place a buy limit order. Okay, so it's actually placed when the current price, in this case 77.9449, is above where you want to place your pending order, which is the buy limit in this example that we are treating now. So to do that, it's just the same process. I come here, click on new order. All right, I change this to pending order. Okay, then it gives me buy limit. The other one we did initially was buy stop. So I will now set the price at, let's say, 77.715. Okay, 77.715, and I'll just click on place. We'll move on to the next pending order, which is the sell stop. Okay, so sell stop now is that you place an order below the price. Okay, the price is currently above, so you believe that the price, look at the direction of the arrow, the price is coming from here. This is where you are placing your this horizontal line is where you are placing your sell stop order. So what you're saying is that the price is currently at the top here, and once it comes and hits your sell stop order, that the market will continue selling. Okay, and the moment you continue selling, you will be in profit. You activate your trade at this point and you'll be in profit. Okay, that's what a sell stop order is. So let's go back to our MT4 once again. So what I'm saying in this situation here is that as this is selling down now, is a bearish candle, I will place, and I feel that it will continue selling probably towards the 77.4 445 areas. So I can place my uh, sell stop order probably around uh, maybe around here, around 77.606. Okay, so that once this current price hits that 77.606 and it continues selling down, I will be in profit even when I am not there. Okay, it will activate the trade for me and continue to be in profit. So to do that as well is the same process. Come to new order. Okay, click on the market execution, click on pending order. All right, then you select sell stop. All right, at what price? We said 77.606, right? 77.606, and you click on place. and let's look at the last one, which is the sell limit. This sell limit is placed when the present price, is below where you want to place your sell limit order. So you expect that the price is coming, it will hit your sell limit order, and it will turn around and continues and start selling. Okay, it will continue. Now it's buying back up. So we believe that when it gets to this area that you are placing your sell limit order, it will turn around, the price will turn around and start selling. Okay, so the same thing when you come to your MT4, for example. So when you look at, let's look at another pair. Let's look at Euro CHF. Okay, let's look at, okay, all right. So for example, now the price here for CAD JPY, Canadian dollar Japanese yen, is at 86.910. Okay, so you believe that the price will probably move up for some time, and when it gets to a particular place, all right, it will, when it gets to a particular place, it will start selling. Okay, it will start selling. It's buying right now, but at a point in time from your analysis, you believe that when it hits a zone or an area, it will turn back and start selling. So that's what a sell limit is for. So what you do, for example, the price is at 86.910 now. So let's place our sell stop. What you do, you can place your your sell limit at an upper price where you believe that the price will get to and turn back around and start selling. So let's look at, probably we can place our sell stop at 87.180. So you come to new order, you click on new order. Okay, click on the type of market, pending order, then you click on sell limit. Okay, so you just put at the price you want, let's say 87.180, then click on place. This. Okay, so that has been deleted. So that is what pending orders are meant for. Like I said, it might be a little bit confusing watching this video for the first time. So you can rewatch it again, carefully rewatch it, pause the video, take notes, and you will understand what I am talking about. So let's go. So that's actually what we are going to be looking at today in today's video. So I believe you've been able to get value, and I believe that this video has opened your understanding more about the forex market trading. Okay, so as usual, if you have any question or any concerns, you can get back to me, and I will try as much as possible to address those questions. So once again, I wish you the best of luck in your forex trading experience. So have a wonderful day. Bye.